First, we need to connect the power and air supplies. For air supply, external pressure is maintained at 0.06 MPa or above. Then, through this platform, clip the sample. Now we have clamped the sample. Then this can adjust the position. We can adjust the position of this wheel hub. The height can be adjusted as needed. Look. This is for measuring pressure. Then turn on the power. There is a pressure detection here. Let's check the pressure first. The pressure here is 1 kilogram. The cylinder is pressed down. When the pressure reaches 1 kilogram, the detection is done and automatically return. This should be this. It's 1.5 kilograms. They are two independent workstations. Pressure can be set individually. Let's look at the parameter screen. Cylinder actuation times. Displayed here. Left workstation, right workstation. The time can be set. There is also a manual screen here. Here. Then go back to the automatic interface. After we finish the inspection, we can choose front, back, left, or right. Now I choose left and right. Then click Start. You can choose to stop and select front, back, left, and right. Start a loop.